Sedimentary rocks are composed of naturally occurring materials like gravel, sand, silt, and mud, animal and plant remains, in addition to chemical elements that are compacted and cemented together over time, usually deposited in layers or beds. Sedimentary rocks cover almost 73% of the Earth's surface in terms of area, but only 8% in terms of volume. Sedimentary rocks are classified into three primary groups. Number one, terraneous or siliciclastics, which are derived from the weathering and erosion of pre-existing rocks. Examples of these types of rocks are conglomerates, sandstones, and mudstones. Number two, biogenic or biochemical, and these are made of biological organisms. Animal remains like skeletal materials and plant remains as well form biogenic sedimentary rocks. The most abundant types of these rocks are carbonates, generally referred to as limestones. Number three, chemogenic, which are formed when water evaporates out of a closed basin or an isolated water body, leaving a brine supersaturated in particular elements. Rock salt, gypsum, and hydride. Some varieties of limestones and dolstones are examples of minerals or rocks formed by this process. Knowledge of fossils, which are the remains of animals and plants contained within sedimentary rock layers, provides valuable information about both the time of formation and the depositional environments of these rocks. Moreover, a plethora of information can be gained through studying the structure, texture, composition, grain size, etc. of sedimentary rocks. Branches of geology like stratigraphy, which is all about the order and relative position of strata and their relationship to the geologic time, and paleontology, the science that specializes on fossils, are especially focused on these sorts of paleoenvironmental studies. One of the most significant economic aspects of sedimentary rocks is that they are the main source of oil and gas. Organic rich sediments buried in shallow marine environments close to continental edges or in intracontinental rift basins form petroleum and gas. As the organic rich sediments are buried, the sediments become liquefied or converted into rocks such as shale, mudstone, or limestone, while the organic matter transforms into kerogen. Another important economic aspect of sedimentary rocks is that sandstone formations, characterized by their noticeable porosity and permeability, make good aquifers for underground water storage. Examples of sedimentary ore deposits are accumulation of minerals due to chemical and detrital sedimentary processes like placer deposits such as gold, diamonds, rubies, sapphires, and platinum group elements, banded iron formations, which are the main source of iron globally, sedimentary depositional salt, gypsum, borax, barite, anhydrite, limestone, and dolomite, accumulation of minerals due to weathering processes, for example, laterite, bauxite, cobalt, nickel, and gold, supergene enrichment like that of copper, lead, zinc, and silver.